Hi, myself Vikram. I am an innovative teacher having 11 years of teaching experience. For the past 4 years, I have been teaching mathematics for the IIT JEE aspirants. Now, I would like to share something about one of the important and one of the major branches of mathematics, that is trigonometry. So, first of all, we will know what is trigonometry. Okay, so what is trigonometry and what the trigonometry will deals with? To know this, trigonometry is used to study the relationship between the lengths of the sides and the angles of triangle. The word trigonometry itself tells us trigon, triangle, metron, measure. So we can say that trigonometry is the study of measuring the relations between the lengths of the sides and angles of triangles. Okay, now we know what is trigonometry. Then we have to know why we need trigonometry. So why we need trigonometry and where the applications of trigonometry are used in our daily life. Okay, so I will tell you applications of trigonometry. The trigonometry applications are used in our daily life. For example, the trigonometry applications are used to find the height of a tree or to establish the height of a tower and to calculate the height of the mountains. So for example, the pyramids, the construction of the pyramids uses the basics and concepts of the trigonometry, and the establishing the height of a tower like an Eiffel Tower is also uses the concept of trigonometry. So in simple, we can say that trigonometry is used in the construction and architecture field. Then not only it is used in the construction and architecture field, the trigonometry is used to find the distance between any two objects. So if we extend this somewhat to the further level, so distance between the objects means the objects can be considered as a celestial bodies too. So that means the trigonometry used to find or measure the distance between the celestial bodies like the planets and the stars. So that is, the trigonometry is also used in astronomy. Then whenever we heard the term trigonometry, we have to consider about the trigonometric ratios, the trigonometric functions. The basic trigonometric functions are sine and cosine functions, which are the fundamental principle of the periodic functions. The fundamental principle of periodic functions. These periodic functions will help us to analyze the signals, to classify the signals, and in the communication with the signals. Then with the help of these fundamental principles, we can easily describe the sound and light waves. The periodicity property is one of the most important concept used in the trigonometry to analyze the sound and light waves. And the trigonometry periodic functions will also help us to analyze the fluctuations in our AC current. That is also be used in the science. That means trigonometry also helps you in study the science. Apart from that, the trigonometry is also used in the oceanography to calculate the heights of the tides in ocean and also to measure the underwater depth of the underwater objects in ocean. So these are all the applications. So what are the applications we discussed in the architecture and in astronomy and in science and in oceanography. Okay, so other than this, where we uses the applications? So everyone will have the smartphones, and we do have the smartphones, and we'll play the mobile games using the smartphones, and especially everyone plays Angry Birds game. So the Angry Birds game, what happens in the Angry Birds game? The Angry Birds throw down to choose an angle, to sling the bird, to choose an angle to sling the bird through the air. So the angle is chosen to the horizontal and the stretching sling whenever the movement of release. So the angle is chosen, the stretching sling and the horizontal, the movement of release. These angle determines the path of the path of the bird that follow on the air to reach the or to hit the target. So that means the Angry Birds game is also includes the concept of trigonometry. You know, so many games includes the concept of trigonometry where the trajectory lines are required. So these are the most of the important applications of trigonometry. Okay, so in the next class, the next session we will discuss what are the trigonometry ratios and their applications and their functions. Thank you.